How to use the debugging tool in Spyder for Python scripts. I was recently introduced to Spyder. I decided to use Spyder because of its debugging capabilities. However, I have not been able to effectively use PDB in Spyder. When I started, I had the impression that the debugging tool would be similar to that of MATLAB. Is this true? How can the interpreter point to the breakpoint? I'd appreciate a proper resource on this.
Spyder Dev here. If you are using in Spyder version less than 2.2.5, please update it. On it you will find a debug menu from which you can set breakpoints and control all debugging actions we have to offer.
If you want to see more